If you're encountering error 2025 with your Nintendo Switch cloud saves, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure your Nintendo Switch is connected to a stable internet connection. You can test this by trying to access the Nintendo eShop or any online game. Step 2. Update your Nintendo Switch. Make sure your console is running the latest system software. Go to System Settings, select System, and then choose System Update to check for and install any available updates. Step 3. Verify Nintendo Switch Online subscription. Confirm that your Nintendo Switch Online subscription is active. You can check your subscription status in the Nintendo eShop under your account settings. Step 4. Restart your console. Sometimes a simple restart can fix temporary issues. Hold down the power button until the power options appear, then select Restart to reboot your Nintendo Switch. Step 5. Contact Nintendo Support. If the error persists after trying the previous steps, reach out to Nintendo Support for further assistance. They can provide additional troubleshooting steps or help with account-related issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve error 2025 and enjoy your cloud saves on the Nintendo Switch.